Welcome back to Take a Slow Homestead. I'm Carol, and I have 62 project days left before the cold weather hits. So this morning I was out working on the front yard project. Which is the fence, and I'll show you what I did so far. I had a personal revelation. Instead of making notches in the last slat on this existing fence here at the corner, I just decided to take that slat off. So that's what I did this morning. I already had put some dirt down here at the bottom, so I needed to take some of that away. So I'll show you what I did. After I took that dirt away, I took the slat off. This first slat right here is the second slat. The one I took off was right there. And you see, it's perfectly fine that I took it off. So I didn't make notches in it. I just went ahead and took it off. After I took that slat off, I had to bring in the dirt again, refill that area where I took the dirt out, and then bring in a lot more dirt. But before I brought in the dirt, before I moved any dirt at all back in that hole that I had dug, I put some landscape fabric right there in front of the slats. So it's in front of those two slats and a little bit on the third one. And it goes down about 1.5 feet or so. Then I started bringing in the dirt. And I actually was able to raise the level quite a bit. As you can see, there's the orange string, which is going to be the bottom of the fence here in the front. So right there in the corner I've actually got the level up, but I need to bring in a lot more dirt, see that, to raise the level. All along here, all along the front. Here's that utility post. I put some more soil around it. And then I put a few rocks. And as I go along bringing in the soil and putting more soil around this, I will put more rocks around it just to protect it. Here's the inside of the existing fence. And I've been taking dirt from all along there and hauling it out to the project in the front yard. one wheelbarrow load at a time. And I almost got clear down to the end there. And then after that, I will get what dirt I can find in other areas of this east field. I've had some challenges in the last few days. The last time I was working on the project, my wheelbarrow kept breaking its wheel off. The wheel just kept coming off. And I tightened bolts several times. I fixed the rod that the wheel goes on several times. And finally, I decided I've had this wheelbarrow for a long time. And so yesterday, I bought me a new one. It's pretty much the same size, but it's metal instead of plastic, and I hope it lasts me forever. And it has worked for me really well today as I've gone back and forth with several more loads of dirt. Got some flies around here. The other challenge was that after I made a few videos this morning, a few clips, and then I checked them, looked at them. Apparently I didn't do the right thing with my microphone because there was no sound again. So I need to get educated and be able to use that better. So a lot of background noise today. I can't believe all the traffic on the road. Very discouraging, very noisy. So I will be continuing to work on this fence as fast as I can. I had to come in today about 1 o'clock or 2, I don't know what it was for sure, because it got pretty hot. And so I came in, rested for a while. I'm just about to eat my lunch. It's like 3:30 in the afternoon. But anyway, I really want to get this project done and get my property more protected. So, baby steps and taking it slow. And remember, when you do that, you will accomplish a lot. Thanks for watching.